I'm Joy Grdnic Christensen.
And I'm Ron.
Yes, my husband. And we're on the 50th annual Soulard Holiday Parlor Tour this year, which is fabulous because it's going to be the golden anniversary. And it's such a big deal. We're so happy about it. There's 6 homes. They're marvelous. It's in Soulard, which is fantastic. Soulard has such history. It's one of the, if not the oldest neighborhoods in St. Louis.
And this house in particular is over 150 years old, built by Dr. Franz Arzt in 1876. Somebody's going to do the math on that and say, Ron, that's not quite 150.
Don't ask me to do the math. I'm blonde.
This house is the Dr. Franz Arzt House, built in 1876. He came from Vienna as a doctor at 21 years old to St. Louis.
And we found it. It was in very bad disrepair, and I restored it over the course of 8 years.
And she won several awards for her work.
Oh, thank you, honey.
Yes, you'll see those awards when you see the house, and you'll see the amazing work she has done here. Hand-painted ceilings. There's some original furniture that's original to the house here that you'll also see.
The house is unusual for the 2 things. One, it's historically significant for being the first house in St. Louis to have radiant heat, which you'll see in the fancy fireplaces. And we have a cave, and it's a man-made cave with over 10,000 specimens stolen from Missouri caves back in the 1800s.